Alright, here's a generator that needs a fuel pump and a radiator replaced or fixed. This one has 5,210 hours on it. Most of the gauges seem to work. There's nothing interesting in the storage boxes or any of that stuff, except for this one item which I believe to be a fuel sender. Right here. That's what it looks like to me, but I'll figure that out at a later date. I'm going to go ahead and start this unit up, show you guys how she starts and runs. Obviously not going to run it for very long. This is a leak in the radiator, which is right about up here somewhere. I have a 12-volt fuel pump hooked up temporarily, just going straight into the fuel supply line. And I got two new 12-volt batteries hooked up. I think they're 26. So let's fire it up. No need to preheat this, it's hot out already. That's it. Just waiting on those parts to come in, and then I'll fix it up, put it back together, and she'll be on her way for sale. Alright, thanks for watching.